Here are 3 easy ways that you can earn passive income with your crypto. Also, grow your positions even more. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto. And now let's jump straight into the video. So everybody loves passive income and everybody wants to earn it. So in this video, I will talk about 3 different platforms that I personally use to earn passive income and to stake and earn even more crypto. These, in my opinion, are very easy to use. That is why I'm talking about it. And these are super beginner friendly and everybody can literally start using these apps and start earning some passive income. I have been using all 3 of them for multiple years and I absolutely recommend them. And now let's talk about the first platform, and it is the Atomic Wallet. I absolutely love this wallet and I have been using it for multiple years. One of the biggest reasons why I'm a huge fan of the Atomic Wallet is their customer support. It is one of the best, quickest customer supports I have ever experienced in the crypto space. If you guys use Binance.us, Coinbase, or any of the major exchanges, you will know that their customer support is an absolute zero. You wait months and months and months just to get a response on a simple question. But with the Atomic Wallet, literally there has been multiple instances where I contacted support and within like 24, 48 hours, I have received a response and they resolved my issue. So I highly recommend the Atomic Wallet. I'm not sponsored by them in any way. They're simply a free wallet that you can download whenever you want. And now let's talk about their staking feature and how you can earn some passive income. So the Atomic Wallet is secure, decentralized, and anonymous. You can manage your Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, XLM, and over 300 other coins and tokens. So some of the coins that you can stake on the Atomic Wallet include Band Protocol at an amazing 17% APY. This is one of my long-term staking positions that I highly recommend. They also have Zilliqa, Cosmos, another good one. They have Icon, another one of my favorites, Algorand at 7.2%. They have Tezos, I'm also staking that as well. Solana, Komodo, Cardano, another one of my staking positions. VeChain, and a couple of other ones. So with the Atomic Wallet, you'll be able to stake all of these coins. And the way it works is absolutely simple. All you have to do is download the wallet. You can use the mobile or the desktop version and then simply deposit these coins into your wallet. You can select the staking feature and you can start staking and earning free crypto and free passive income. One thing that I love about the Atomic Wallet is that they have videos on their website to show you pretty much everything from trading to staking. Let's see a video real quick.
Let's head to the staking. Make sure you have some SOL in your account. On the left sidebar, click on Staking. Select SOL and click on Stake. From there, decide on the amount of SOL you wish to stake and choose a validator, which by default is Atomic Wallet. Take into consideration the network fees for both staking and unstaking. The staking fee will automatically be deducted from the amount you wish to stake. Confirm your password and click on Confirm. And there you are. Your SOL deposit is now being staked. Just chill out and wait for the first rewards to arrive in 2 days.
As you can see, it is super easy to stake and earn free crypto with the Atomic Wallet. In my opinion, this is a great wallet, especially for long-term holds. That is what I personally use it for. That is where I keep my long-term positions that I'll be staking for multiple years. So I highly recommend the Atomic Wallet. And now let's talk about platform number 2. And that is the one and only, my favorite exchange of all time, the Kucoin exchange. A lot of people are sleeping on Kucoin and the benefits that it offers. If you guys do not have a Kucoin account, check out the link in the description box below. It is one of my favorite exchanges out there and for good reasons. They have a ton of different ways for you to earn passive income and for you to grow your crypto portfolio. They have a ton of amazing low cap gems, but in this video, we're gonna focus on their passive income streams. On the Kucoin exchange, you can lend out your crypto. For example, if you have USDC or USDT or other stable coins, on the Kucoin exchange, you can lend out your stable coins to earn amazing interest. You can lend out your crypto for 7, 14, or 28 days. They also have an amazing earns feature that allows you to stake and earn amazing APY on some great coins. Personally, I'm utilizing all the features of the Kucoin exchange. I'm lending my stable coins using their lending feature. I'm staking some stable coins as well. Also, I'm earning amazing APY on their platform as well. For example, I'm staking my Haka position, Tribe 1, and I'm earning passive income every single day, and I'm growing my position. On Haka, you can get an APY of 40 to 50%, as you can see right here. Also, guys, they offer a ton of different coins that you can stake, lend, and earn interest on. What makes Kucoin so amazing is that they allow you to stake and earn passive income with low cap gems. There's a ton of amazing new projects that are coming out, and on Kucoin, you are able to stake them and earn amazing APYs. Anywhere between 30 to like 100 something APY. And in my opinion, that is definitely a great benefit, especially on these new projects. You are able to stake them, earn an APY, sell those coins for a profit, grow your positions even more. One other reason why I love the Kucoin exchange is because they have everything in one place, from staking, lending, trading, margin, literally everything, to trading bots. Kucoin has it all. So if one day you're like, man, I want to stake my crypto so I can earn more, or I want to lend it to earn some extra income, you can do that. And then the next day, if you change your mind, you can day trade, you can swing trade, you can do whatever. And best of all, the Kucoin fees are some of the lowest in the game. So you get to keep more of your crypto. And now let's talk about platform number 3. And this one should be no surprise. It is the Trust Wallet. The reason why I'm mentioning this one is because pretty much everyone watching this video has Trust Wallet. It is one of the easiest wallets to use that comes with a ton of features. And one of those features is staking. You are able to stake a couple of different coins on this platform, and it is super easy to do. It just takes a couple of clicks. Trust Wallet also has a decent selection of coins that you can stake, from Cosmos to Tezos to BNB to VeChain. Also, you can stake Osmosis and Algorand. I will link a full video in the description box below on how to stake your coins on Trust Wallet. It is super easy. All you have to do is literally click on the coin, press stake, select your interest rate. It literally takes 3 clicks and you'll be on your way to growing your position and earning some free crypto. All right, guys, so those are the 3 platforms. I highly recommend all 3 of them. In my opinion, earning passive income, staking is definitely one of the best benefits that crypto provides. So if you have a coin that you can lend, that you can stake, definitely take advantage of that benefit. An extra 5, 10, 15% APY every single year is definitely a plus, especially if you plan on holding long term. Also, if you're just jumping into crypto, definitely pick a couple of coins that are stakeable. Start staking them, start earning that extra income, start growing your position. Even $50, $100 a week can definitely grow over time, especially with compounding. In my opinion, this is a great way to become rich over time. All right, everybody, that concludes this video. Let me know in the comment section below what platforms, what wallets are you using to stake your crypto to earn even more money. I know the 3 that I mentioned are pretty much very popular and a lot of people use them. But with crypto, there's definitely hidden gems, hidden ways to make even more money, to make an even bigger APY. So if you have one of those gems, drop them in the comment section below. And as always, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Peace out.